Hello everyone, I have another package and this time it came from Italy. It is from AliExpress. It is again from the Neewer's official AliExpress store. And again, it's even though it's from AliExpress, it seems like it has this Amazon packaging. But that's okay, as long as it has inside what I ordered, it's completely fine. So, here is another packaging, and again it is from Neewer. So let's see what is inside. I mean, of course I know what is inside, or I think I know, I hope I know, because if not, then it's gonna be probably not a pleasant surprise, but it seems it's gonna be what I ordered. Yes, so that's it. So first of all, here is a little remote controller for the DSLR. I already have one of these. It's like really cheap stuff. I guess I bought the other one from eBay for $1, and actually the battery costs more here. Let me just show you what kind of battery it has. So it has this kind of battery. I don't know, probably maybe you can read it. So as I said, it's a really cheap thing, but it's just for me it was a really helpful thing to have, like a couple of times. Okay, I'm not sure I put it back in the right way, but that's okay, that's not the point now. It also has a little the little thing what I'm sure I'm not gonna use at all. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to open it. Okay, they sealed it well. They sealed it really well. So it's just you can put it in the lens cap, and maybe you won't lose it, but it's not something I'm use. And also here is a diffuser. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. What I can put on the flash just to make the light of the flash a little softer. So I guess I have to, sorry, so I have to just I don't know what it's called, what I'm doing right now, just put it through these little stuffs. I guess it's gonna make sense when I'm unbox the other thing. Yeah, and they also included a little rubber thing. So I put it aside for a minute, and let's see let's say the main thing of this unboxing. So this is a flash from Neewer, TT560 Speedlite. So I'm just gonna show you the box. I try to get it in focus. So this is my first flash, so maybe all this information is more helpful to you than it's to me. But let's see what is inside the box. Nicely packaged. So it has a little stand with a screw in the bottom, and it's always a helpful thing to have. Pro quality, amateur price, probably that's the slogan of the Neewer. So far I only have positive experience with them, with their products. So it is probably the warranty card. It has English, German, Italian, Japanese, French and Spanish. So if you want to read it, you can pause the video and read it. So here is a little manual in English, and it's good that it's not Chinese. And let's see the flash. It has this nice, well, the quality of this bag is okay, but it's not the best, but probably still better than how it feels, but it's completely fine. And here is the flash. So I'm just gonna show you here the buttons, and so here I can put the batteries, what I'm just gonna do in a few seconds. So I don't think I need it here. So yeah, I can rotate all the way back to the other side, and only this way to this side. So yeah, it also have the hot shoe. So let me try to put some battery in it. If I can open it. I just charged a little bit these batteries because I haven't used them for a while. So let's see. Hopefully I'm gonna put these in the right way. But here is this little help to see how to put them. So let's turn it on. Okay. So let me try the. Okay, so I don't know if you can see if it fired a test shot. So I'm trying to show it to the camera. I didn't see it through the lens of the phone, but it's definitely fired a flash. So here I can set the strength of the flash, I believe. So I don't know what are these modes means. I will have to just look for those information. I don't know if I can open. Yes, I can open this. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to help with these what it is. I mean, I can check it from the manual. So it's a PC sync socket, and the charging socket. Okay, so it seems like I could charge it from the batteries, from the charger, maybe. I don't know. As I said, that this is my first flash. Like, I never used the external flash, and actually I really don't like to use flash. But I felt like it's needed to improve my macro photography, because that's my main interest in photography. So okay, so they didn't include that charger, but that's okay. They didn't say it comes with a charger, so it's completely fine. I'm just gonna try to install it to the camera to see if it's work. I know I have to set something in the camera to be able to use the external flash. I don't know if it is turned on or not, because I used to use some Okay, so I had a flash before, but it was this macro ring flash. So okay, so it's fired already. So I don't know what did I take picture of at this moment. So okay, so I didn't take picture about anything, because good advice, always take off the lens cap before you take a picture, because it helps a lot. It really can help a lot. Okay, so well, it's not really, everything is too close here to take really a picture. And yeah, like last time when I used the camera, that was the settings I used. I was taking some photo pictures about the night sky. So I have to set it something like here, and so I'm just gonna show you, like, I mean, I'm trying to show you what I see in the camera, and yeah, and I also probably have to set it to the autofocus, because it is a manual focus. Yes, it was too close, and so it's a little overexposed. And I believe it also has something like this. I don't know how much it's gonna help, and let me try the same shot this way. It's a little better. Yeah, and I also can set the, so let me try it again. Yeah, and it's a little underexposed now, but that's cool. So, returning to the other stuff, what came with it, I have to find where I put it. So I can put it to the flash to make the light softer. And probably I messed up something in installing it, because something doesn't seems to be right, but I guess you know, you get the idea what it is for. So I can put it here like this, and it's supposed to make the light a little softer. So let me try again. I just set the light a little high, the center of the light a little higher. But it's still overexposed the picture, so it was still too much, but that's okay. So I don't want to waste any more of your time. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna try to use it. I'm gonna try to get this flash. So thanks again for watching. God bless.